I would definitely say yes. You can try to do multiple things at once. You definitely can't do all of them at once, and it'll also make it a lot easier if you're doing mechanical engineering and then like welding slash fabrication, because those kind of go hand in hand a little bit together. Generally when you're engineering something, that engineered product is going to either go through machining and then fabrication, which will be your welding. So they're all in the same family together. If you work for a systems integrator, maybe having like two weird skill sets of like a mechanical engineer and a PLC programmer could be very beneficial, because if you're programming the line, or if you have some understanding of programming, it may actually have some effect on how you mechanically engineer things. But that'll be if you're really designing for automated systems. Like if you're just designing like bracketry, or maybe you're not even designing for the manufacturing floor. You might even be doing more of a product design, which could be completely different, and it won't have a lot of machining and fabrication as well. But it does make 100% sense to have experience in both of those.